Today we are going to be speaking on how to problem solve in a nonverbal way and a verbal communicative way that is able to speak on how to identify solutions. So our attention part is going to be cognitive thinking is able to explain and effectively express ways to identify, collaborate, question, and analyze to put into understanding. Some soft skills help us identify and collaborate, question, analyze, and put into understanding. The need part is it is essential to use decision making that is precise, and it also understands how to deal with challenges. So think about how many times we leave out specific details that are important about soft skills that are put to work when collaborating with a group members or even to coworkers. Everyone can remember a time where we had to break down information to understand, to highlight options to be able to handle the situation. So to be able to use soft skills, you need to learn qualities as an individual can use for what others can also do as well. If you both share and communicate how to deal with those challenges. The satisfaction would be problem solving is a very detailed process that holds key skills that are soft skills learned by challenges and situations. The second point is critical thinking creates and answers questions and how it can promote leadership and how an individual can inspire others to use soft skills as well. So theoretical demonstration and reference practical experience. For both of those, the theoretical demonstration would be the AVID process, is most common use that I can think of that meets the ideas and details about problem solving, because during the AVID process, a group of students are able to identify a problem, learn new information about the problem, put what their knowledge has already have been used in the past and now in the present, talking about the problem, they are able to speak all together in a communicative way to be able to solve for a solution, so that they are able to analyze what steps and the process of it. And at the end, once they figure out the challenge and how they were able to solve the problem, they are able to speak about it at the end in a group presentation or individually so that others can learn and they can use it and apply it in their daily life. And then a reference practical experience is something that I can relate to, is the same thing during the AVID process. I went through it during high school and I understood and learned the different types of social skills that you need to problem solve, and not even that, just critical thinking and just cognitive thinking, because you have all these ideas that others can help you explore and experience to be able to solve your problem step by step. To the visualization is using problem solving frequently. It increases the drive to understand and how to interpret critical thinking and to questioning your ideas, others' ideas, and problem solving which information is correct and useful to be able to solve any problem. So during AVID, just think about how you can illustrate your problem solving by understanding the type of solutions that you may need in that area of concept, that you are able to question your ideas and others, communicate, and be opinionated to be able to problem solve the information that is correct and to be useful by applying it to your daily life, and so other students can learn as well. The action part is to visualize how to problem solve with different ideas and communicate with others, and write down notes to help speak on what soft skills are learned by analyzing how to build leadership in an individual, as an individual, in questioning your ideas to help decide and communicate to make solutions. It also produces traits of active listening that the audience can use by speaking clearly with thoughts in conversations, which helps the audience to identify how to problem solve in groups or individually. But however, in conclusion, the way problem solving works is how it supports good understanding of speaking qualities to be able to act with cognitive thinking by presenting the problem, identifying the what ifs, and answering questions to be able to lead in effective solutions in decision making and apply the audience to their solutions day to day.